Did you know that two brilliant college students once murdered a child just to prove they were smart enough to get away with it? In 1924, Nathan Leopold and Richard Loeb were wealthy University of Chicago students who believed their superior minds placed them above the law. Obsessed with the idea of committing the perfect crime, they spent months planning every detail. They chose 14-year-old Bobby Franks because his family was rich enough to pay ransom. After luring him into their car, they killed him with a chisel to the head, then dumped his body in a culvert. But these self-proclaimed geniuses made a fatal mistake. Leopold dropped his distinctive glasses at the crime scene. Police traced them back to him within days. The trial became a media sensation. Their lawyer, Clarence Darrow, delivered a 12-hour closing argument that saved them from the electric chair, arguing their privileged upbringing had warped their minds. This case shocked America, proving that wealth and education could create monsters capable of calculated evil.